Well, good morning, everybody. Can you hear me okay? My name is Fabian Fernandez. I'm a professor in the Department of Soil, Water, and Climate at the University of Minnesota, and I welcome you to this conference. We are in the 11th year of this conference, and as before, we have a wonderful program uh, planned for you today. Let's see here, start at the beginning. First of all, I would like to express appreciation to the organizers of this conference. I work with Warren Formal and a committee to put this program together. And Warren, you probably met him in the front with MAWRC. He's instrumental in helping us plan a lot of the logistics for this conference. There's a lot of logistics that take place. And then Tim Redditz is in the controls over there, helping us make sure that the conference runs smoothly from the technology side of things. He makes it look easy and smooth, but there is a lot of stuff that goes behind the scenes. I would also like to acknowledge all the funding sources that we have for this conference, which allows us to put an excellent program at a minimum cost to you. And we have in this conference both in person. Appreciate all of you being here this morning, this cold morning, and a number of people are also online. I think 40 or so are already online, maybe more. And so we will have this hybrid program like we have had in the past. Because of that, and to facilitate Q&A, what we will do this year, as we've done in the past, is use this technology called Slido to ask questions. So for those of you in the room, recognize that there are a lot of other people online and they would like to participate. And so this approach allows us to ask questions. You can just scan that QR code or go to slido.com and enter hashtag 25 nitrogen and you will be in. It will allow you to ask questions. As you can see, you can type a question. The other feature that is nice is that if you see a question that you like, you can vote it up so that it moves up in the line of questions so that we get to those questions first. And these, of course, are anonymous, so you feel free to ask the questions that you would like to ask. And we'll try to answer as many of those as we can with the speakers here present. Another thing that is really important to this conference is that we do send a survey. I know another survey. We do a lot of those. Unfortunately, there are too many, but it does make us. It allows us to make this program better, and it also, from an administrative standpoint, some of the questions there help us to show to administrators that the time that we spend in these kinds of programs is important. It allows them to see that, and so it allows us to continue to provide this program to you. So I would appreciate if you fill this survey. There will be a chance to win a $50 gift card as part of that, as a thank you for your participation. And we'll be sending an email later, but of course you can also scan the QR code and fill the survey as the program goes. There is also another opportunity here, and I will be sending this out. This is a survey of soil health. This is an effort that is, sorry, it's just this thing is automated. So that is looking at soil health across the nation, and we have a chance to participate in Minnesota. The survey basically is two parts to it. There is an online interview that somebody will ask you questions about your farm and how you farm your land, and then part of that survey will be for them to come to your farm and collect soil samples. And they will use that information. What they're looking for is contrasting fields that will allow them to check and say, okay, we know what practices go in this field and what practices go in this other field, and be able to use that information to put it into a report that it will be sent to you. That's part of what they will give you as part of your participation in this survey. But it will also inform this tool so that we have better information on what practices do what for soil health. You will also get a copy of, sorry, this thing keeps changing. Um, they are publishing a book out of all of the results that will come out of that, and it will be a really nice picture book kind of thing, coffee table book that you will have a copy of that, and it may feature some of the stuff from your own farm as well. And then there will be an appreciation gift as well. So we'll be sending more information on that later after the conference as well. The other thing is we offer CEUs, so if you need to sign for those, this is the QR code, and we will have those again between breaks and things like that. The conference is being recorded, so you will have access to all the presentations later and the YouTube channel. And I just want to mention that there is a lot of great information also at the U of M Extension Nutrient Management through different means. And so please check those out. Sign up um, for the things that we produce at the university. And finally, the Agriculture, Fertilizer Research and Education Council also has a lot of information on research that is being funded through them. Bruce Montgomery here is the Director of Research for Afric, and he will be our moderator today. So with that, I will turn it over to Bruce, who will help us with the program today.